Did you know that in just 2 hours, you can reduce your belly and flatten your tummy? All the gas, bloating, and waste, you can flush it out and literally see it come out with your own eyes using a simple method, and this will happen in just 2 hours. If you also want to work out with me to lose weight, you can join my online classes. So let me tell you a simple method that will help you a lot in flushing out all the impurities from your stomach and slimming down your belly. This method will definitely work for you. Whenever you have gas, bloating, or waste accumulated in your stomach, which can stay there for years, it starts to cause your belly to protrude and toxins to build up. If your intestines are clean, you don't have gas, and your food digests well, then it's simply not possible for anyone's belly to grow. Now, why does your belly increase in size? The biggest reason is eating the wrong foods. You eat at the wrong times, eat when you're not hungry, and eat unhealthy foods, things made with refined flour, sugary items, and you keep snacking in between meals. Sometimes you eat a samosa, sometimes chips. This in-between snacking is the main problem. At that time, your body isn't in the mood to digest, but still, when we see people around us eating or someone serves us something, we just pick it up and start eating. This is the biggest issue for our stomach. Once you have breakfast, for the next 4 hours, don't consume anything except water. This will improve your digestion so much that your toxins will also start getting removed. And when you actually feel hungry, real hunger, you should have a light and nutritious meal that includes green vegetables, salad, and curd, which should be rich in protein and contain a little bit of fat but low in carbohydrates. But what usually happens on our plates? We just have dal and rice, or only roti, or maybe just one vegetable, which are all high in carbohydrates. We've completely eliminated fat, thinking that fat is the main culprit, that it increases cholesterol and causes weight gain, which is why we've stopped consuming fat. As a result, our eyes don't stay clear and our stomach doesn't get properly cleansed. The natural lubrication that should be present inside our bodies, in our intestines, has disappeared because we've convinced ourselves that fat is bad, but carbohydrates are still okay. But what you don't realize is that foods like roti, rice, and all those sugary sweets are actually harmful. Any food from the market, no matter how it's made, is considered healthy for you, but since it's made for so many people, it can't really be healthy. When you make food personally, that's healthy food, so start cooking and eating at home. Now, what you need to do for this, listen carefully so that we can flush out the toxins from our body. The rest can be discussed later. So for these, what you need to do is pick a day when you have a holiday, because this will take you about 2 to 3 hours. For this, you need 1 liter of water. First of all, in your pan, just like you drink warm water in the morning when you wake up. But this time, as soon as you wake up, you need to pour 1 liter of water into your pan. This way, it could even be 1¼ liters. Take as much water as you can drink within 7 to 10 minutes. It's okay if you can't do it all at once on the first day. If you can't drink 1 liter of water, no problem. Just try again after a week. This isn't something to do every day. You should do it once a week. Now you need to heat this water. Heat it to the temperature you like to drink, but do not boil it. So first heat the water, and after that you only need to add 2 things to it. These are very easily available things that everyone has at home. But you may not know that these can help remove toxins from our body. These things can help reduce our belly and improve digestion. And it will even grab and remove the stubborn waste that has been stuck in your body for years. And why should you do this on a day off? Because within just 2 hours, your stomach will be completely cleansed. You might need to go to the toilet once, maybe even twice, or possibly 3 times. During this time, you shouldn't eat or drink anything. Don't even think about having tea or coffee afterwards. I'm telling you in advance, you might have to go to the toilet up to 2 or 3 times, or even more, until all the waste is thoroughly expelled from your stomach. Only after you feel completely relaxed, light, and very hungry should you eat or drink anything. Now this water has become warm. You need to heat it just enough so that you can drink it. Don't make it too hot. Now, into this 1 liter of water, you need to add black salt, Himalayan salt, or pink salt. Do not use regular white salt at all. There's also something called Celtic salt available in the market. You can use that as well, and use a small spoon for measuring. You need to use a teaspoon, but don't fill it too much. Just take 1 to 2 teaspoons. Now you might say that this will raise your blood pressure. Look, for people whose blood pressure is already high all the time, it might slightly increase their blood pressure. For people who are normal or whose blood pressure only occasionally goes up, this won't cause any harm at all. It actually contains more nutrition and has a bit less sodium. That means it has less sodium than regular white salt, so it doesn't cause harm. In fact, it helps a lot in eliminating toxins. You must have noticed that whenever we ferment any food, this salt is added to it, and all the digestive powders, the ones used for digestion or to cleanse the stomach, all of them contain this pink salt, also known as rock salt or Himalayan salt. It helps remove toxins from your intestines, and if there is any waste accumulated, this salt is going to help a lot in eliminating it. So you need to mix it well in this way. If there is a little bit of dirt, it will settle at the bottom, so you should decant it from the top. For example, if there is some minor impurity in it, it will settle at the bottom. Now, after adding this salt, the next ingredient is amla, Indian gooseberry. If you have fresh amla, crush it and extract its juice. You need to take 1 amla, and if you don't have it, I'll tell you another option. You can use lemon instead. Take half a lemon. Now, I'll explain how this works, but first you need to crush it and add its juice to the mixture, so I'll grate it because it's just 1 amla and it won't grind properly. Now you need to carefully take this in a clean, soft cloth. It can be a pure cotton cloth or even a delicate dupatta, and then squeeze it very well so that all the delicious juice comes out completely into the water. See how easily and effortlessly the juice is coming out. If you can handle sourness and it doesn't bother you, you can add 2 as well. If you add 2, your stomach will be thoroughly cleansed. You might have to go to the toilet 3 or 4 times, but don't worry about that. It's just your toxins being flushed out properly. All the waste that's accumulated is being expelled, and along with it, the extra fat in your body also gets eliminated. When the waste is cleared out and your digestion improves, your fat starts to go away automatically. Now this water is ready. Pour it properly into your glass. Whether you fill 2 glasses or 2.5, it doesn't matter. See, the water looks slightly pink. Now you have to drink it while it's still warm. If you can't squat down, then just sit on top of the bed. You need to sit on the bed with both legs up, just like you squat, or you can also use a pillow. Place the pillow under your hips. You can sit in that position and drink it, and if you have pain in your legs, that's how you should drink it. It should take you about 7 to 10 minutes to finish the water. Don't take too long, like sipping it for an hour or taking 11 sips over a long time. Now, after drinking this water, listen carefully. What will happen? There's absolutely no need to worry. The water will taste salty, but there's no need to worry about that either. Don't worry about how much salt you've consumed or what will happen. It actually improves our digestion. You'll hear gurgling sounds when we drink salt water on an empty stomach. What does salt do? It helps with digestion, especially this pink salt. That releases digestive enzymes in your stomach. Now, what happens is that these digestive enzymes are released in your stomach. Now, when this mixes with the water, whether it's amla water or lemon water in which you've added lemon, it will go down, it will reach your intestines. Now, after reaching the intestines, what will happen is that the waste that is stuck there and not coming out, this salt will catch it, it will hold on to it. The amla we added contains a very high amount of vitamin C. So, vitamin C also helps to remove the impurities that are stuck in our veins. Vitamin C helps to reduce cholesterol. The cholesterol present in your veins and in your liver. If you keep drinking water with amla in it, your cholesterol also decreases. The greasiness that is stuck in your body in the form of cholesterol also gets flushed out. But you need to keep in mind that when you are drinking this water, it's not like you should be consuming it along with 20 cups of tea or coffee, and then also eating food at the same time. You shouldn't do anything until your stomach is completely clean. You have to let it do its work. Now, what will happen is that within half an hour, you'll hear rumbling sounds in your stomach. It will feel like something is moving around inside and making gurgling noises. If it feels like something is about to come out of your stomach, just let it do its job. And yes, if you feel there's too much rumbling, then gently move your hand in a clockwise direction over your stomach like this. If you're having trouble standing using this method, maybe because you've never drunk so much water before. If you haven't drunk 1 to 1.25 liters of water before and you feel heavy after drinking it, then lie down on your left side. This is your left hand, right? So lie down on your left side like this and gently rub your stomach with your hand. It will take about half an hour to an hour. At first, you'll feel some rumbling, then you'll notice your gas is being released, and after that, you'll suddenly feel the urge to go to the toilet. Go ahead. If your stomach isn't cleared out in one go, that's okay. You might need to go a second time or even a third time. That's fine, no problem. Let all the waste come out of your stomach properly and then see how fresh and energetic you feel. And I would even say, for breakfast, you need to do these things. Don't eat or drink anything else. Then go straight to lunch. First, have some light soup or start with a light salad. After that, eat something light like khichdi. You can have a little khichdi. Add a little ghee to it and start your meal this way. But remember, you shouldn't do this every day. People who stay at home might think they'll do it daily, but this isn't something to do every day. Otherwise, the body becomes heavy. If you keep adding so much salt to your body every day, it can also cause toxicity. So this is meant to flush things out, not for daily use. Do it once a week and then see the belly that used to look bloated will start to become tight. Your food will digest well and you won't have to put in much effort. Those who were tired of exercising but still couldn't get rid of bloating, who felt like their stomach was so swollen as if someone had filled it with air like a balloon, all of that will go away. Whatever you eat will digest properly and won't convert into fat, and your face will start to glow. Try drinking this water and doing this for just one day and you'll see how much improvement comes to your body. Now you'll have to put in a little effort and the extra fat you have will also start to go away. I hope you really liked today's video. Please like and share it. And if you're new to the channel, do subscribe. So we'll meet again in the next video. Until then, bye and take care.